A very good morning, dear students. So, we were doing change of voice and we have covered its continuous tenses. Now, for today, we are going to learn how to change the voice of a present perfect tense. So, first of all, let's talk about the affirmative sentences. Affirmative means positive sentences. What are the rules of active sentence? First of all, you will have the subject. After that, helping verb will has and have, has with singular and have with plural I and we. After that, verbs third form. Then at the last, there will be object. Now, whenever you will convert active voice into passive of present perfect, then how you can convert it? You will take the object at the first position. After that, helping verb as it is, has and have. Then you will add been, then verbs third form, then by preposition, and last but not the least will be your subject. So its first example of active. I have done my duty. I is subject, have is helping verb, done is verbs third form, and my duty is your object. So A वाला sentence इस rules के according सही है. Now we are going to change it according to these rules. So first of all, you will take the object, and what is the object? That is my duty. We have written it as it is my duty. After that, we will add has and have. Now my duty is singular, so we will add has. After that, been, we will write as it is been. Then verbs third form. Now see, done is already verbs third form, which is already used, so you write it as it is done. After that, by preposition, then your subject. And what was your subject? Your subject was I. So I will be converted into me, into passive voice. So my duty has been done by me. Second example, we have respected our elders. We is your subject beta, have is helping verb, respected is verbs third form, and our elders is your object beta. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪੈਸਿਵ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਏਗਾ, that is our elders. You will write it as it is our elders. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ has and have. ਹੁਣ elders ਹੈ, so we will use have. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ been ਐਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ as it is been ਲਿਖ ਦੋਗੇ. then verbs third form already use ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, so you will write it as it is respected. then by preposition as it is ਲਿਖ ਦਿੱਤਾ. then subject, and what was your subject? Your subject was we, so we will be converted into us. Our elders have been respected by us. Third example, she has sung a song. So she is your subject, has is your helping verb, sung is verbs third form, and a song is your object. Now let's change it into passive. First of all, you will take the object, that is a song. We have written it as it is a song. After that, has and have. Now a song is singular, so you will write has. Then add been. We have written it as it is been. Then verbs third form, that is sung. So as it is ਤੁਸੀਂ sung ਲਿਖ ਦੋਗੇ. Then by preposition add ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ. You will add it as it is. After that, subject. And what was your subject? She. It will be converted into her. So a song has been sung by her. Next, second type, that is called negative sentences. Just a minute. All right. So in negative, what are the rules of active? First of all, you will have the subject. After that, as it is helping verb, has and have. Then add not. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਰਾਜੇ not add ਕਰੋਗੇ, verb ਦੀ third form, then object. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੈਸਿਵ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ, what are the rules? We will take the object at the first position. After that, we will add the helping verb has and has. Has and have, has with singular and have with plural. Then we will add not. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ not add ਕਰੋਗੇ. Then we will add been, verbs third form, by, then subject. So first example, I haven't done my duty. Now I is your subject, have is your helping verb, not is used for negative, done is verbs third form, and my duty is your object here. Now let's change it into passive. So first of all, we will take the object, and what is our object? Our object is my duty, so we have written it as it is my duty. After that, has and have. So this is singular, so we will write has. Then add not. You have written it as it is not. Then add been. We have written it as it is been. Then verbs third form. And what is verbs form? I have not done my duty. Done is verbs third form. It is already verbs third form. So we will write it as it is done. Then beta, we will add by preposition. We write it as it is. Then your subject. And what was your subject beta? It was I. So I will be converted into me. My duty hasn't been done by me. Second example, we haven't respected our elders. So we is your subject, have is your helping verb, not is used to make it negative, respected is verb's third form, and our elders is your object here. So we will take the object at first position to make it passive. So what is our object? Our elders. We write it as it is, our elders. After that, has and have. Now elders is plural, so we will use have. Our elders have, then add not, we have written it, then add been, we have also used it, then verb's third form, it was respected, write it as it is, respected, then add by preposition, we have written it as it is, then your subject. And what was your subject? Your subject was we. It will be converted into us. So our elders haven't been respected by us. She hasn't sung a song hasn't been sung by her. Next one is called, that is the third type. This is called interrogative sentences. So interrogative the key rules ne. First of all, you will take the helping verb at the first position. Interrogative ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ starting ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ helping verb ਲਵਾਂਗੇ has and have, then ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ subject ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ, then ਇੱਥੇ plus ਪਾ ਲਿਓ verb ਦੀ third form, then object, then ਬੇਟਾ mark of interrogation. Passive ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ as it is, ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ has and have ਆਏਗਾ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ object, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ been, then verb's third form, then by, then subject, then mark of interrogation. First example, have I done my duty? So have is your helping verb, I is your subject, done is verb's third form, my duty is your object, and this is mark of interrogation. इन्हें change करते हैं. So first of all we will take has and have, and we will take has लवांगे why, क्योंकि my duty singular है. After that object, that is my duty, then been ऐड करोगे, as it is लिख देता been, then verb the third form ऐड करोगे, what was verb's third form? Done, as it is लिख दोगे done, then उस तो बाद by preposition use करोगे, as it is लिख दोगे by, then subject की सी राजे सारे sentence विच I will be converted into me. Last but not the least is your mark of interrogation. So has my duty done by me. Second, have we respected our elders? Have is your helping verb, we is your subject, respected is verb's third form, and our elders is your object. So इन्हें change करते हैं. सब तो पहला देखो has and have तो पहला object जरूरी है, क्योंकि object दे according तुसी has and have लगाओगे. So object is our elders. This means this is plural, so आप use करांगे have, उस तो बाद object our elders, उस तो बाद add करना been, as it is लिख दोगे been, then add verb's third form, we have write it respected, then by preposition you have written it as it is, then subject, and what was our subject? Our subject was we. It will be converted into us, and most important, mark of interrogation. So have our elders been respected by us? Last, has she sung a song? Has a song been sung by her? So this is how you can change the voice of a present perfect tense. Alright, now write it on your fair notebooks. God bless you, dear students.